When you organize a giveaway, you have to make sure you choose the winner. The question is how to make it fair and how to make sure nobody complains that they didn't win. In this video, I am going to share with you how to pick a winner, the best and the easiest way to do it. Hi, my name is Stoyan Vlachovsky and I'm here to help you with your contests and giveaways. I would really appreciate if you could hit that subscribe button and the little bell symbol. This helps me know you like the content and it also helps to grow the YouTube channel. The first thing you have to do is define whether the winner is random or not. In other words, does the winner have to do something better than the others, or does he just have to be lucky? It's important to mention that giveaway is used as the umbrella term for both contests and sweepstakes. The meaning of a contest is that the winner has to do something better than the other ones. And in this case, contests are a game of skill. For example, if you organize a photo caption contest, the person who submits the best comment is going to be the winner. You can say that the comment which gets the most likes is the winning one. This will make the decision objective and people won't complain. Another thing you can do is run a best photo contest. In this case, the person who submits the best photo is going to be the winner. Now you also have to define some criteria here to make sure that the decision is fair. For example, you can say that 5 people from the company are going to choose the best photo. Or if you even want to make it even more objective, you can make some kind of voting on the best photo submission. If you're going to run a viral contest, there is often a leaderboard. And on this leaderboard, people have to collect points in order to increase their chances to win. Often, the person who collects the most points is the winner. Now, you don't have to count the points yourself, you can use a contest software. And I have included a link in the description below the video to one of my favorite softwares. I strongly recommend you check it out because it has a free version. Comment below if you have also ever organized any kind of contest. If you're going to run a sweepstake, the situation is a little bit different. Sweepstakes are a game of luck, so you have to choose the winner randomly. For the purpose, you can use different tools. And if you're going to run a sweepstake in Facebook, you can use the Facebook Flash giveaway tool. It's going to pick one random winner from everybody who is engaged with your Facebook post. If you're going to run a sweepstake in Instagram, again, there are tools for that purpose. The first one I recommend is totally free and you can use it today. You can find it on the website Comment Picker. It has a version for both business accounts and for personal accounts. Another tool for choosing the winner in Instagram is an Instagram sweepstakes app, which is not totally free. Only your first giveaway is going to be free, but still it has everything in one place and it's a great way to choose the winner. Some people organize giveaways on YouTube. For example, they ask people to comment below the video and they choose one random winner. For the purpose, you can use Comment Picker again. It has a section for YouTube as well. If you're going to run a viral sweepstake where you're going to choose the winner randomly and not by a leaderboard, then most of the tools that help you organize such a viral sweepstake have a function to help you choose automatically the winner. The tool I recommended and is in the description below the video has this function as well. Sometimes it can be a little bit difficult to run a giveaway. You might know that a giveaway can help you get thousands of leads, but you're not sure if you can make it right and you don't want to waste your time doing it the wrong way. This is why I'm ready to help you and create the whole giveaway campaign for you. Or if you just need consulting, I can also do that. If you're interested to work with me, I have included a link in the description below the video.